In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Bluehost domain to Shopify. This process is essential for those of you looking to link your domain with your online store and create a seamless customer experience. So, let's dive in and make it happen step by step. First, make sure you've logged into your Bluehost account. Once inside, head over to the domain panel, where we'll find the list of domains you own. Now, identify the specific domain you want to link with your Shopify store. It's crucial to note that we're working with the domain's DNS settings, where we'll be making some changes to point it to Shopify. Next, click on the Manage button beside your chosen domain. This takes us to a new page with more in-depth options. Here, you'll find DNS settings. This is the area where all the magic happens. We need to adjust the record first, ensuring that it points to Shopify. Your record should be configured to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. This might sound technical, but all you need to do is click on the Edit option for your record and enter this IP in the specified field. Once done, save your changes. It's important that this information is exact, as it routes traffic from your domain to Shopify servers. Now, on to the next crucial part, which is the name record. This should point your domain's www version to Shopify. Look for the name record section in your DNS settings. Here, you'll want to change the current setting to shops.myshopify.com. This ensures that whenever someone types in the www version of your site, it redirects appropriately to your Shopify store. After editing the name, don't forget to save your changes. All these adjustments might take some time to propagate, usually within a few hours. However, in some cases, it might take up to 48 hours. Keep that in mind. While everything gets settled on Bluehost's side, let's move over to your Shopify dashboard to complete the setup. In your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings, and then click on Domains. Here's where you'll add your Bluehost domain to Shopify. Click on the option to connect an existing domain. Input the domain name you've just configured in Bluehost and follow the remaining prompts. Shopify will guide you to verify everything is set up correctly. Once you see your domain listed as connected or verified, you're all set. Make sure to test it out by typing your domain into a web browser to see your Shopify store pop up seamlessly. If everything's running smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully connected your Bluehost domain to Shopify. Remember to monitor your site over the next few days to ensure everything is functioning as expected. And there you have it, a perfectly linked domain, ready to welcome visitors to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.